Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Fidelity Bank token. Fidelity Bank tokens are essential tools designed to boost the security of your online banking activities. They generate unique, temporary security codes, also known as one-time passwords, which are crucial for authorizing sensitive transactions. You have two main options for obtaining a token: a convenient soft token application for your smartphone or a physical hard token device. To get the soft token, simply download the official Fidelity Token application from your mobile phone's app store, whether you use an Android or iOS device. Once installed, open the app and log in using your existing Fidelity online banking username and password. You will then be prompted to answer one of your security questions to authenticate your device and complete the setup process. If you prefer a physical device, you can request a hard token. To do this, visit any Fidelity Bank branch that is convenient for you. At the customer service counter, ask for the token application form. You will need to fill out this form accurately and submit it along with your active account details and a valid Fidelity Bank debit card. The bank will then process your request. When activating your token for the first time, a one-time fee of 1,500 naira plus applicable value-added tax will be charged, as mandated by the Central Bank of Nigeria. Subsequent reactivations are free. These tokens provide enhanced security for all your online transactions, including fund transfers and bill payments. Simply input the generated one-time password into your online banking platform to complete your secure transactions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.